Are you a developer who dreams of seamless coding from anywhere? Say hello to the Visual Studio Code Remote Tunnels extension. Globe with Meridian Sparkles. Imagine connecting to your desktop PC, VM, or any remote machine with zero hassle, no matter where you are, all thanks to secure tunneling via Microsoft Dev Tunnels. No more worrying about SSH or having your source code tied to your local machine. The Remote Tunnels extension transforms your development experience by running commands and extensions directly on the remote machine. It's like having your full-fledged development environment with IntelliSense, code navigation, and debugging right at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere. Getting started is a breeze. You have two fantastic ways to dive in. CLI Magic. Use the code command line interface to establish a tunnel. Vscode UI. Enable tunneling through the Vscode desktop UI. Perfect if you're already working within Vscode. Both methods bring the same tunneling awesomeness, so pick what works best for you. If CLI is your jam, you can even set it up without a UI using a standalone install. Just a few terminal commands, and you're ready to roll. Quick setup steps. Install the code CLI on your remote machine. Run Code Tunnel to create a secure tunnel and start the VS Code server. Open the generated vscode.dev URL on your client machine, log into GitHub, and boom, you're in. VS Code UI path. Open VS Code on your remote machine and turn on Remote Tunnel access from the account menu. Log into GitHub, get your vscode.dev link, and start coding remotely. Keep in mind, your remote machine needs to keep VS Code running to maintain the tunnel. But no worries, once you're in, it's a smooth ride with pre-installed Remote Tunnels extension. Combine powers with dev containers. Want to develop inside a container on your remote host? Use Remote Tunnels with Dev Containers extension and work without even having Docker installed locally. Just follow a few steps, and you'll be developing like a pro.